Good morning, Naija. My name is Dr. Adora, and you know now, this is your health corner on top of the Good Morning Naija show, where I summer you with all the better information you need to make sure say your body dey very, very, very kajad. Yes, yesterday I've been yarn you about waiting oyibo they call asthma. I tell you waiting it be and some of the kind symptoms where you go to see if you get this asthma. Well, today I promise you say I go tell you about the asthma where they start for when person don't become full adults. That's now adult onset asthma. And you know, say this asthma, if it happen to anybody at any age, although it is more common in people under the ages of 40. But according to the Center for Disease Control, for 2013, then talk say 18.9 million American adults, or 8.2% of the adult population gets this asthma. So people will get family history of asthma, get increased risk of developing the disease. You know, say anything, you know this thing where they call allergy, say person get allergic reaction, and asthma, they work out together. It's even with eczema too follow. So smoking also with asthma, now very, very dangerous combination, but we still they see them commonly. You go see say person will get asthma, will still they smoke. However, anyone fit develop asthma at any time. And this adult onset asthma, it happen well. So if you get symptoms of asthma, I beg try talk to your doctor. Because if you get this adult onset asthma, your doctor will instruct you on how you go to use asthma inhalers and other asthma medications to prevent any further breathing problems. Your doctor will also guide you on which medications dey for prevention and which medications dey will go rescue you in case you ever experience any of this difficulty in breathing. Well, the next one I want to talk about now concerns asthma where they happen for children. You know, say this asthma, the way it happen for children, it don't increase as you know time they go. Nearly 1 in 10 American children now get this asthma. And this one too relate to us because as we know they keep statistics, our own, you know, say the worst pass. And a sharp rise that still has this scientists, as in sabi people, all the researchers, doctors, they search, they try say, waiting be the cause of this thing where they increase like this. As of this 2013 where they talk, and as estimated 7.1 million children, you can imagine 2013, no waiting go to happen now, under the age of 18, that's now 9.5% of the population, they don't diagnose them with this disease. And the rate of childhood asthma, it don't double since 1980 they come, according to this Center for Disease Control. Well, asthma symptoms, then they vary from one episode to another episode in the same child. The signs and symptoms for asthma where you go they look for, especially for inside children, now number 1. If you notice say your pikin they cough, as in frequently, every time, you go treat them for cough, everything, for your mind, don't give out the antibiotic, everything, but boy, the cough will still continue. And this one fits occur during play, for nights, or even when they laugh. You go just they laugh from there, you go just begin the cough. So it is important to know, say this coughing with asthma fits be the only symptom where they present. In other words, you go know, as in if person get asthma, the only thing where if they show, say get this asthma, now to the cough. So you go another thing where you go notice now say you go get less energy when they play. As they play, you go they quick, they tire. Or as they play, you go they pause to catch in breath. As in go just stop. Just to let's say you won't catch in breath. Then on top of that one, if they experience rapid or shallow breathing, that now you go they fast as they breathe, or it go be like say you just they, you know, take time to breathe. Another one, now say you go they complain, say, mommy, my chest, if you talk, it go tell you say, my chest, they pain me. Or it be like say my chest, they very, very tight. And like I mentioned yesterday, this whistling sound, this one you not feel miss out. Especially when they sleep for nights, you go notice say, as they breathe, you go sound like music. And they call this one wheezing. I will continue tomorrow on top the matter, so make you not try miss some. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your health corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.